my friends, and welcome back to the channel. As I said in the previous video, I have an old Tamiya kit. I already painted with Tamiya white primer, and I had an old paint from MRP paints. It's Gulf orange, so I was thinking that it's okay to paint the fuselage with this type of paint, and it's looking nicely. I apply the decals and spray with some matte varnish. The paint and the varnish is dry, so I will add some panel line here. Yes, he's looking nicely. Had to add the tires, and the kit will be finished. Some gunmetal. I had this one here. And the model is ready. Has some interesting details. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next build.